Benjamin Banneker was an African-American mathematician who created almanacs. And almanacs are used by, back then, they were used by farmers to figure out when they should plant things, told when the longest day of the year was going to be, it told when the moon was going to be at the different phases, and so forth. And so in his almanacs, he sometimes put puzzles, and he just created puzzles and looked for puzzles, mathematical puzzles, to do in his spare time because they interested him. So the first problem, the problem I'm going to be talking about, is the ladder puzzle. And so the ladder puzzle says that there's a ladder and it's 50 feet long and it's placed in the street so that it reaches a roof of a building, and the building is 48 feet tall. And then without moving it, it wants to reach the top of a building that is 40 feet tall. And so the question is, how wide is the street? So Banneker knew the Pythagorean theorem, which was developed by Pythagoras, and that goes with triangles. And what that says is that a squared plus b squared is always equal to c squared. And in a right triangle, your a and your b are your, what we call, the legs of the triangle. Here we have this right angle, those are the legs. And this is a or b, and it doesn't matter which one's which. So simply by doing the math on this, Banneker was able to figure out how wide the street was. So if I call 48A, and I don't know this distance here is B, and this distance here would be C. So, like I said, the formula is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And so if I multiply these, and I've got 48 squared plus b squared equals 50 squared. I know that 48 squared is 2,304 plus b squared is 2,500. And so the missing value, the value of b squared, is 196. So I need to find the square root of 196, or what twins make 196. So 196 is 14 times 14. So this distance here is 14 feet. And then the ladder's moved over here. And so now we've still got that 2,500. So we've got 2,500 for the C distance. But now our A distance is 1,600. So it's 2,500 is equal to 1,600 plus b squared. So when I figure out b squared has to be 900, because 1,600 plus 900 is 2,500. So I'm looking for 900 is b squared. So what twins make 900? So the twins that make 900 are 30. And so this distance is 30. So the width of the street is 44 feet, because 30 plus 14 is 44 feet.